You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
For decades, Erie Insurance has been seen as one of the strongest and most reliable insurance companies, consistently earning top marks from AM Best, the global credit rating agency that evaluates the financial strength of more than 16,000 insurance companies worldwide. But earlier this September, a shift was announced. Erie's long-standing A+ or superior rating was lowered slightly to an A, which AM Best describes as excellent. At first glance, the downgrade might sound alarming, but the context matters. According to AM Best, the decision was tied to the company's balance sheet strength, which has weakened over the past 5 years. This decline has been largely driven by repeated underwriting losses. In plain terms, Erie has been paying out more than expected on claims, which has chipped away at its financial cushion. The reasons aren't hard to spot. Severe weather events have been more frequent, storms have been more damaging, and at the same time, costs to repair vehicles and homes have climbed sharply. Anyone who has dealt with a fender bender involving deer or storm damage to their roof knows how quickly expenses add up. Erie itself has acknowledged these challenges. Company leaders noted that while no business wants to see a downgrade, the change to excellent had been anticipated. They pointed out that the trends affecting Erie are industry-wide, not unique to them. Insurance companies everywhere are struggling with the same rise in severe weather events and higher repair costs in both the auto and homeowners markets. Despite these pressures, Erie emphasized that its ability to serve and protect customers remains unchanged, and it's important to note that AM Best did not strip Erie of its strengths. In fact, the agency still regards the company's balance sheet as the strongest, while also recognizing its adequate operating performance, solid business profile, and sound risk management practices. These positives continue to reflect the company's foundation, even as short-term pressures have created challenges. Citing its more than 100 years of service, Erie Insurance has reassured customers that the downgrade won't change the fundamentals of its mission: to provide protection and peace of mind. The company remains a Fortune 500 enterprise, the largest employer in Erie County, and a major contributor to local philanthropy and economic growth. With a century of history behind it, the company is preparing to celebrate its 100th anniversary in 2025, a milestone that underscores its resilience. So, while the downgrade might sound like a step back, Erie Insurance is still considered financially strong. The shift simply reflects today's economic realities, where severe weather and rising costs are reshaping the landscape for insurers everywhere. For policyholders, the message is clear. Erie may have lost a plus sign in its rating, but its commitment to standing by customers remains firmly in place. Stay subscribed for more videos.